Found another great recipe to help turn Brussels sprout haters into Brussels sprout lovers. How about deep frying the Brussels sprout leaves into chips with a spicy dipping sauce on the side? And so I've started with about ½ a pound of Brussels sprouts, and I'm cutting off the stem and removing any of the discolored outer leaves. Then I'll carefully peel off the next 1 or 2 layers of inner leaves and save the rest of the sprout for some of my other delicious Brussels sprout lover recipes. Now let's make the spicy dipping sauce, and that consists of about a teaspoon of sriracha sauce, that's Thai spicy sauce, and some spicy chili garlic paste, along with 3 tablespoons of honey and a teaspoon of sesame seeds, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons worth, and then just a dash of sesame oil, very powerful. Now I've heated some vegetable oil to frying temperature, and I want to caution you because the Brussels sprout leaves have a high water content. So when you lower them into the oil, they're going to splatter. So go ahead and shield yourself with the pot lid. Now once the splattering stops, the leaves will fry up rather quickly, and then you'll drain them on paper towels and then salt them immediately with some fresh flaky sea salt. This makes a great pass-around appetizer. It might even make you forget that you're eating Brussels sprouts. And that spicy sauce, it's really spicy. And I think you're going to really enjoy it. So get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.